morning. My name is Jordan. I'm a personal lines broker at Sharp Insurance.
Hi, I'm Sean. I'm the sales manager at Sharp Insurance.
And we're here to talk about how to save money on your insurance, something I get asked every day.
The best way to get a discount on your insurance is to combine your insurance. So if you have your auto and home, combining those together would take advantage of the most discounts. And if you have other toys like a ATV, motorcycle, trailers, combining everything with one broker, one company, will utilize the most discounts.
Another great way to save money is doing a driver's training course. Now, this is only eligible for new drivers. What it does is it gives you 3 years of insurance history and 2 years of driving history, even though you don't have it. Very valuable for new drivers. We love to see it. You just have to complete the in-class and the in-car portion to be eligible for it.
Play with cars.
So the commute. If you have a short commute to work, the insurance company will reward you with a little bit lower rates. It's not a huge discount, but they're just looking at the chances of having an accident. If you're commuting 30, 40 kilometers to work, there's a higher chance of you getting involved in an accident if you're commuting 7 kilometers, for example.
Or walking like me.
Or walk like Jordan.
You definitely want to let us know if you're walking to work, because zero commute, insurance companies love that. Less risk on the road, cheaper premium for you.
It's true.
If you were to be in a loss, an accident, you hit a tree, your deductible is the portion you pay before the insurance kicks in.
For my vehicles, I have a $500 deductible for collision and a $250 deductible for comprehensive. So, for example, for the $250 deductible, if I had my truck parked on the road and somebody came by and keyed my car, I'd have to pay the first $250 and the insurance company would pay the rest to repaint my truck.
Another way you can save money is actually having good credit. Something insurance companies are starting to do more so than ever is doing a soft hit on your credit just to assess you as a risk. They would never use it negatively. If you have bad credit, we're not going to raise your premiums. But if you do have great credit, we're going to reward you with some discounts for that. Something behind the scenes.
Some insurance companies reward a little bit of discount for your occupation.
We have discounts for teachers, nurses, students. Always let us know if you're a student.
Doctors, lawyers, dentists, accountants.
The list is endless.
Click the link below to get a quote.
And don't forget to hit that like button.
And smash that subscribe button.
Like us on Facebook and Twitter for more tips and tricks on how to save money on your insurance.